Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: sciatic nerve pain. If you've ever experienced that shooting pain down your leg, you know how debilitating it can be. But fear not, because today we have 5 natural ways to help you find relief and get back on your feet. Let's get started. First of all, we introduce our product Hip Flexors, the ultimate guide. Hip Flexors offers a practical solution to a common problem. With expert guidance, a simple routine, and bonus content, it seems promising. This combines strength and flexibility for optimal hip flexor performance. Relive sciatica pain at home. Download this book, Hip Flexors, from official website. Link in description. Up, we have Acupuncture. Picture this. Tiny needles strategically placed to release endorphins and natural painkillers. It's not magic, it's science. Acupuncture also reduces inflammation and improves blood flow, sending those essential nutrients to your compressed nerves. A win-win. Situ. Chiropractic Care. Next on the list is Chiropractic Care. Hands-on treatment that aligns your spine, reduces pressure, and restores structural integrity. Those spinal manipulations, they work wonders, decompressing the sciatic nerve and waving goodbye to that pesky pain. Just good posture. Let's talk posture. Sitting upright with your feet planted firmly can be a game changer. Slouching or sitting on your lower back adds pressure, potentially compressing the sciatic nerve. Good posture. It's like a superhero cape for your spine. And 4. Hot and cold therapy. Time for a little hot and cold therapy. Ice numbs sore muscles and tackles inflammation, while heat boosts blood flow and promotes healing. Alternating between the two can be a game changer. Just remember to keep it to 15 to 30 minutes each time and protect that skin. 5. Massager. Who doesn't love a good massage? Beyond the relaxation, it increases blood flow, soothes tense muscles, and works like magic on sciatic nerve pain. Connective tissues and deep muscles say hello to instant relief. So, there you have it. 5 natural ways to bid farewell to sciatic nerve pain. Remember, while these remedies work wonders, if your pain persists, especially with significant numbness, it's time to consult your doctor. Hip Flexors offers a practical solution to a common problem. Relive back pain without any supplement. Download this book, Hip Flexors, from official website. Link in description. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative content. Until next time, take care.